Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a handy update for Gmail users: how to block someone on Gmail using your PC. This feature can help you manage unwanted chats or direct messages, and we'll walk you through the process step by step. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to gmail.com. Make sure you're logged into your account, ready to take control of your inbox. Next, look for the 9 dots next to your profile photo in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on these dots will open up a menu of apps. From here, choose Chat. This will take you to your chat interface, where you can manage your conversations. Now, take a look at the left side of the screen, where you'll see the menu under Direct Messages. Find the chat with the person you want to block. Once you locate it, hover over their chat. You'll notice a set of 3 dots appears on the right side. Click on those 3 dots and a menu will pop up with options. Here, select Block and Report. This step is crucial, as it allows you not only to block the person, but also to report any inappropriate behavior if needed. Finally, a confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure you want to block this contact. Confirm your choice, and you're all set. And there you have it. You've successfully blocked someone on Gmail using your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.